Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are exploring a privacy focused blockchain project called Zero Knowledge Proof, also known as ZKP. This project introduces a new approach to blockchain infrastructure by combining privacy technology, AI computing support, and a structured token launch model designed around transparency and community participation. Before we proceed further, here a quick reminder for all my viewers, this video is created for educational and informational purpose only. It does not provide financial investment or trading advice. Always conduct your own research before participating in blockchain or cryptocurrency projects. Viewers, Zero Knowledge Proof is presented as a Layer-1 blockchain network designed to support privacy protecting artificial intelligence infrastructure. The system uses zero-knowledge cryptography, allowing transactions and computational verification to occur without exposing sensitive information. Unlike traditional blockchains where transaction details and wallet balances remain publicly visible, ZKP focuses on maintaining confidentiality while still enabling verification and trust. This allows business to protect confidential operation data, individuals to maintain personal financial privacy, and AI system to operate using sensitive database without compromising security or transparency. The project highlights a fairness-driven launch philosophy, positioning itself as a blockchain built without early private investment rounds or insider advantages. The network is already operational, focusing on infrastructure readiness before large-scale public distribution. ZKP operates using a hybrid consensus model known as proof of intelligence combined with proof of space. This approach is designed to validate both computational tasks and storage contributions across the network. A key component of this infrastructure is the proof pod, described as the physical mining hardware that connects directly to the blockchain network. These pods perform computing workloads, verify storage contributions, and help secure the ecosystem while earning ZKP coins as network rewards. The project emphasizes immediate availability of these hardware units, stating that they are shipped without extended pre-order waiting periods, aiming to support real-time network expansion. From a developer's perspective, ZKP is built to support both EVM and WASM smart contracts, allowing compatibility with multiple decentralized application environments. The ecosystem also includes a built-in marketplace designed for secure data exchange, where ZKP coins function as the utility currency powering network services. The platform is structured around three primary pillars. First one is privacy, second one is verifiability, and third one is decentralization. So these are the amazing and primary features of it. ZKP includes a community-driven recognition system where the groups can apply for on-chain access level badges based on ecosystem contribution and growth. Badge levels include seed badge designed for early-stage community initiatives, growing badge recognized communities demonstrating strong expansion momentum, and core badge reserved for the established ecosystem contributing measurable value. This system is intended to encourage ecosystem expansion through structured community development. Zero knowledge proof allows a structured token distribution framework consisting of 17 defined phases spanning approximately 450 days. Each phase gradually reduces the daily token allocation, introducing a predictable supply adjustment model. Unused token allocations from each stage are permanently burned instead of being redistributed, which contributes to maintain the project's economic structure. The initial phase provided higher daily token availability. The project is currently operating within different stages where distribution continues with adjusted supply levels. So here you can check out that we have connected our wallet. Here you can check out the amazing dashboard of the ZKP. So viewers, ZKP uses a 24-hour rolling pre-sale auction system rather than a fixed token price. The daily auction determines the token pricing dynamically based on the participation levels. The overall pre-sale pool contains 90 billion ZKP tokens, representing approximately 35% of the total token supply. Each day, up to 200 million tokens may be allocated depending on the active stage. Participation is conducted fully on-chain, emphasizing transparency and mathematical allocation rules. Tokens that remain unallocated during any daily auction are permanently burned to support the economic model. The system also includes a referral mechanism where participants may receive allocations bonuses through community engagement programs. So here you can check out the referral program. Viewers, when someone uses referral link, we can earn 20% of their auction spend in ZKP, and they get 10% back automatically. Here you can check out that our referral link has been created, and we can share it with our friends and social media community to be part of the referral program of ZKP. Here you can check out the top 10 contributed cryptos, and now we will discuss its pre-sale auction. So this is stage 2, round 4. Just 17 hours and 38 minutes have been left. Up till now 1.83 million US dollars have been raised, and the yesterday closing price was 0.00007 US dollar, and the auction day is the 75th day of the out of the 450 days. Here you can check out the daily allocation of the current stage is 190 million per day, and the next stage allocation will be 180 million per day. So viewers, here you can also check out the wallet. Here you can also check out the leaderboard, and here you can also check out that if you want to buy, you can buy it with Ethereum, you can buy it with USDT or BNB. So for example, if we select USDT, just you have to put the amount and connect the wallet, and you must have some balance in your wallet, and in this way you will click on buy, and in this way you can take part in the auction, pre-sale auction. So this is how it works, and its dashboard is so cool, very easy for users. And here you can check out the public leaderboard, highlights top participants contribution, providing visibility into the ecosystem engagement. The platform allows participants to join actions using multiple cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, USDT, BNB, and in this way you can take part in viewers. To improve clarity for the participants, ZKP has introduced ROI calculator that allows users to model potential allocation outcomes based on the participation values, streak activity, and stage progression. This tool provides a visualization of token distribution mechanics, helping participants understand allocation structures before interacting with the ecosystem. So viewers, here you can also check out another amazing feature, one dashboard, two path. If you want to be part of this project, there are two options. Option one is buy ZKP coins and join the auction, and the second option is buy a proof of pod. So here you can also check out that you can own the hardware, run private compute, and in this way you can be part of this. And here you can also check out how you can get benefits from this platform. Another amazing news, ZKP is running a community engagement campaign distributing ZKP coins with a total allocation pool valued at approximately 5 million US dollars. The giveaway structure includes multiple winners receiving ZKP token allocations. Participation requirements include maintaining a minimum qualifying token balance, following official community channels, and engaging with the referral based participation system. Giveaway participation link has been given in the description of the video. You can join it and be part of it. Here you can also check out here the conditions. Hold a minimum of 100 US dollar worth of ZKP and follow ZKP on official social channels. Share the giveaway post, refer your friends, multiply your chances. So in this way you can be part of this giveaway. Viewers, this is amazing chance, don't miss it and be part of it. Viewers, this is the official Telegram community of Zero Knowledge Proof. I would like to recommend all my viewers to join this Telegram community, and you can also follow ZKP on official X handle. I would like to recommend all my viewers to follow it on X, and here you can also join the Discord community, and here you can also check out that you can follow ZKP official on Instagram. All the links of the social media communities have been given in the description of the video. Viewers, Zero Knowledge Proof presents a blockchain ecosystem focused on privacy technology, AI infrastructure support, and transparent token distribution. Through its staged launch framework, hybrid consensus model, smart contract vesting system, and community-driven participation tools, the project aims to introduce a structured and transparency-focused approach to blockchain development. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it with others who are interested in emerging blockchain technologies. Thank you for watching.